Carver. So it's a sort of a bike thing. Well, no. I mean, it's got a bike wheel on the front, but it's got car wheels on the back and standard car controls to drive in. And it's certainly not bike fast. 0 to 60 takes 8.5 seconds, which in bike terms is a week. So it's a sort of a car. Well, no, it's not a car, because it does this. Whoa! What a sensation!
It's got a 660cc turbocharged engine that's good for 115 fun-filled miles an hour.
Help! I'm falling over!
Which, trust me, is enough.
I'm in an insane machine! Now, it may look like a piece of lunatic fun, but it's actually very difficult to do this, to tilt. It uses a set of hydraulic rams that allow it to go over at, well, increasingly ridiculous angles. You can end up at 45 degrees, which, well, that's madness. And then it gets really difficult because the engine is in this bit that doesn't tilt. You're in this bit that does tilt with all the controls to work the engine, and it's all got to somehow connect up. And that's one of the reasons why it's so difficult to do and why it's so complicated, and also why it's so spectacular. But the amount of tilt isn't decided upon by how far you turn the wheel. It's how hard, it's the force. So if you're aggressive, if you tip the wheel hard, you tilt. But if you're gentle, it doesn't tilt so much. So at slow speeds, you can turn it for a full lock and it stays level. But if I get more aggressive, everything goes insane. I am in a miniature road-going fighter plane. I want guns strapped to the side of this, something that fires missiles, maybe. A bit of a dogfight. Because there's one thing that's unlikely ever to happen. Not going to come across another one.
The Carver is the result of 11 years of design and development by those crazy, sexy Dutch. And they believe it could herald a whole new way of motoring.
Now, the bad news is, it's not cheap. £22,500. But this is the gadget to end all gadgets. It's insane! Who could possibly need something like this? Me, actually. Definitely.